Hey there, welcome back. Today's video we are going to be doing our February Boxycharm unboxing, and I actually received 2 Boxycharms this month, so I'm going to be showing you guys 2 different variations of the box. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. To Boxycharm, or you're new to my Boxycharm unboxings, welcome. I do these every single month here on my channel. If you guys are unaware of what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where it's $21 a month and you receive 5 to 6 full-size items every single month inside of your box. So these are normally makeup related, skincare, hair care items. And so we are going to get started. This month, I normally receive these boxes from Boxycharm. They do send them to me to show you guys. And I got sent actually 2 different boxes. So I snuck a peek in them really quickly. I didn't like pull anything out or anything, but they are different variations. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 different variations of the box this month. Normally I just have one, so I'm going to show you guys what you could receive in your box. If you guys do want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have it linked down below. But let's go ahead and get started with the boxes. Okay, so the theme this month is Afterglow, and this first variation is going to be number 2. So you guys always ask what the number on here is. So this variation is going to be box number 2. So we got a lot of fun things in here. So up first, I am seeing the Better Than Sex Too Faced Mascara. This is going to be in all of the Boxycharms this month. So here is what that mascara looks like. This is so many people's favorite mascara. So if this is your favorite, definitely a good time to get this box because the value of this one, I believe, is $24. So that right there, if this is one of your favorite mascaras, definitely covers the price of the Boxycharm, so that's awesome to get in there. Also in here, this is exciting. So this is from Sol de Janeiro, and this one is their new one. So this is the Coco Cabana cream. So a lot of you guys know they have their Bum Bum cream. You've probably heard of it. It's super popular, and now they had a new scent that came out, which I was actually really curious to test out. So I'm excited that this is in here. Price on this one is $20, so it is not the biggest one that they have. I think the biggest one is $60, but it's not the smallest one either. There's like another size smaller than this one, so it's kind of like the medium size. So I'm gonna open it up to see what it smells like because I haven't smelled this one yet. Okay, we got a lot on our cap here. It smells pretty good. It kind of reminds me of like coffee and like coconut almost. It kind of smells like coffee and coconut. Here is what it looks like, and the texture of this one I've heard is a little bit different than the Bum Bum cream. Like it's a little bit lighter. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit. So it definitely feels hydrating. I don't know if I love this smell actually. It kind of just smells like, I'm trying to remember what this smells like, but it reminds me of something. I don't know, like a jelly bean almost, like a coffee jelly bean maybe. It has a little bit of a funky scent. I don't know if I love that. So I don't know about this, but if you want to try out that, it's awesome to get it in the box. I'll continue to try it out. It's definitely just like an interesting scent. Up next, it looks like we have a highlighter in here. So this is the Shimmering Swan Sparkling Sass Highlighter, and this is from Pretty Vulgar. Super, super cute packaging on this one, and the price of this one is $32. So here's what that highlight looks like. I will go ahead and swatch it so we can see. Feels a little bit gritty. Ooh, wow, that is very, very, very blinding. Look at how pretty that is. It's just like a golden highlight. I'm gonna blend it out so we can see what it would look like blended out. There it is blended out. I bet that would be really pretty on the skin. And again, that one is $32. So also in here, we do have a primer. So this is from Touch in Soul. This is the No Pore Blur Primer. No Pore Blur Primer. Here's what that one looks like. And the price on this one is $18. So this is going to be like a pore filling primer. So I'll push a little out so you can see. So there's what that one looks like. And I will blend that out a little bit. That one has a little bit of a scent to it as well, but here's what it looks like on the skin. It feels like a pore filling primer for sure, but it also feels very hydrating. Like it has a little bit of silicone in it, but nothing too crazy that it's going to be like thick on your skin. It feels like it'll be pretty nice. And then the last product in here looks like this is something from Nudestix, and this is one of their Magic Luminous Eye colors. This one is in the shade Copper Foil. So just one of the Nudestix pens, and the price on this one, this is a eye color. This one is $24. So I will swatch this. Ooh, that is really pretty. So here is that. I know with Nudestix stuff, you can use them kind of all over, but this one is just like an eyeshadow. So I will blend it out here. Is it blended out? So it's just like a coppery orange kind of eyeshadow. So that's kind of cool to get in our box. So I think that this month's box is different. I mean, we got some different products in here. We got a full-size highlighter, the primer, we got the moisturizer, and then this, and then you also get the full-size mascara, which I think is really great. So I'm going to add up the total value of this box, and then we'll move on to the second box and see if those products are kind of the same. I know they're a little bit different, so I'll show you that one as well. So the total price on this box is $118, so definitely getting your value out of this one. I think that we got some cool products in here. I'm pretty excited to try some of these out. A few of them I've never tried before. So I'm going to go ahead and open the second one now. So this again is the third variation. So it has the 3 right there. So it looks like we have a few of the same products, but then we also have a couple different ones. So we have the same primer in here, so that same primer, and then also the same highlighter, but I think this one is in a different shade. So let me pull this out. Yeah, so this one is more of like a pinky one. The other one is a gold one. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the pinky one for you guys. And I will swatch it right here on the side. I kind of like that one a little bit better. Here's that one right there next to the gold one. It just has like a more of a pink hint to it, and I'm definitely into like more pinky highlights, so that's cool that they have different highlighters coming out this month. And then also in here it looks like we have a different lip product. So this one is from Tropic, and this is a primer inside. So this is one that has like the little lip primer on the one side, and then you have the lip color on the other side. So that one is going to be a different variation that you can get inside of your box here. I'll go ahead and swatch the lip colors. So it looks like you can either get that one, or it looks like the nude sticks is what the item isn't in there, so you get the eye or the lip color. So there's a swatch of that lip color right there. And then also in here you have the Better Than Sex mascara. And then the last thing in this box, this one is from a pharmacy, and this is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Cleanser. So you have a cleanser inside of here instead of the Sol de Janeiro item. So that's definitely a different variation. So again, this is the third variation, so this is a different one that you can get. I don't normally get 2 boxes. Like I said, this is something different for me, but I thought I would show them to you guys so you guys could see kind of different variations of what you could get in your box. So the price on this box is $121, so definitely a good value on this box as well. You have a few different products in here. I would love to know down in the comment section what variation you guys got this month, or which items you guys got in your Boxycharm. Let me know which box you'd rather get. Are you thinking box 2 or 3? Let me know down below in the comment section. I will have the link to sign up for Boxycharm so you can see which variation you receive down in my description box, so make sure you guys check it out there. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.